Hi guys, this is Thanos. I'm going to show you how to log into a demo account on MetaTrader 4. So firstly, what you will need is an app called MetaTrader 4, which is this one right here. Yeah, you click it to open it. If you don't have one, you can go and download it in the App Store. It's free. Then here my MetaTrader has opened. Then you can swipe right. No, not swipe right. You can click that those lines, those horizontal three lines on your top left. You can click those, and after that you can click manage accounts. Then this on this page, that's where you're going to see all your accounts, demo accounts and real accounts. Even though I have nothing, I'm still broke for now, but I got the info. So if you what you need to do to add an account, you just need to press this positive right there on the top. This positive, you click it, then open a demo account. Well, so far you don't have a real account, or if you have one, good for you. So you open a demo account, then you search for the broker you have researched about, or the broker you trust, which is I trust Vera City Market. Out there it has appeared. Then I click on Vera City Market. I have my details already there. Then you choose the amount you want to start with. It's a demo, so you practice the amount you cannot withdraw. So okay, it's a create account. So you see the login details. Yeah, then you say done. There we go. Then you have opened a demo account demo account demo account of 3,000 USD US dollars.